a Japanese electronic commerce and an online retailing company based in Tokyo, Rakuten's apps account can be created easily. Want to learn how to download and sign up for Rakuten app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, the initial process of creating an account on Rakuten is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, tap on the search for apps and games option on the top, enter here Rakuten and search for this particular app. You can see that here is a particular app and I have already installed it. If you haven't installed it, you can tap on install on the top right corner and wait for this app to get installed and download it. And when it gets completely downloaded and installed properly, you can tap on Rakuten and open up the app. As you do it, now you can tap an account on the bottom right corner. Since we are trying to create an account, you can enter your email address here and then create a password which should be more than 8 characters and need to be stronger as well. When you finish doing both, tap on join in below. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully created an account for yourself. Tap on home and you're all set for searching stores and products, shopping and cashback, and yes, making the best deal out of this Japanese electronic commerce and online retailing company. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.